Hi guys, so welcome back guys, welcome back to ProForex101. So guys, today is the 23rd of May 2019. Okay, we are following USDCAD for a buy. The reason being guys, on the 4-hour we are seeing a range. So that's the bottom of my range, top of my range. Okay, every time market came to these lines, it's been bouncing off. All right, so now we've just bounced off the bottom, and very strongly this move here is very strong with all green candles. So I'm gonna clear this out again and then go back to my 1 hour. Okay, so what I would like for this market to do is come back possibly to these demand areas. Okay, and push off north, and if you go to the 15-minute guys, you'll see these demands clearly that I just drew. Okay, so this is this same demands that I drew on the 1 hour. That would be here, taking the body and the tail, body and tail. Okay, so yeah, you get the point, right? So I'm going back to the 1 hour. So that's my demand areas. And also guys, you can look at support resistance or areas also to figure out, you know, the place that the market may turn around from. So there we have a resistance area here, resistance area here. The best way to do this is to find out the area where the support resistance line is being touched many times. So I like this area here because we've had support, and then some resistance here, and we've just now broken it. So let's round this up. So this area guys, we are pulling it out of our behind. Okay, it's not a area that's set in stone, something that we want the market to come back and turn around from. So I'm rounding it off to the 300 area. Okay, great. So it'll be in this demand area. Okay, and you can also try other things guys, you know, your fib lines you can draw from the bottom of the move to the tip, and we can expect the retracements to go to any of these areas, right, on the Fibonacci. But now since we've had a look at the support resistance and the demand areas, we can fairly say that, you know, this is the area that we want to be interested in, right? This 23% area, which is between my demands and also is very close to my support resistance area. So there's a lot of ways that you can, you know, look at the area that you want the market to retrace to. You can use your fibs, you can use supply and demand, you can use support resistance. I like to combine everything. Okay, so anyway, so 23% area. So let's see how this plays out guys, and to help out, we'll put the 21 MA, you know, the strategy that we went through last time, where we were trading off a 21 MA moving average. So let me put the 21 MA, so it'll help you to visualize where the market may head to. All right, so just by putting the 21 MA now, before we came into this move guys, we know that we were in a downward motion, right? Let me draw this. One second guys. So before we were doing this, right, and then we were downtrend because we were below the 21 MA. When did we turn into buyers? Just now, right, where we are strongly in the north. And also look at the gap between these areas guys, between the MA and the candles, which is a good sign. So again, with this strategy, what we want to do is wait for this market to retrace and touch our MA and turn around. So again, it'll fit into, you know, the analysis that we did earlier, right? Demand somewhere here, somewhere here. So by the time this market reaches our MA, wouldn't you say it would be in these areas, right? So everything fits together, guys. Okay. The reason I showed you this strategy is to help you to visualize where the market may retrace to and turn around. The MAs help out to figure out the area, but you can also figure it out using support, resistance, and supply and demand, guys. Okay. So again, let's see. Right now, this 1 hour candle, it'll be closing in another 5 minutes. So it looks like the market could be turning around now for the retracement. So we don't want to be selling this also, right, guys? We want to be buying this. So let it retrace to somewhere in this area, and we'll be buying this, okay? And then we'll be trying to target once we retrace. Let me get my pen back out. So once we retrace, okay, and then start turning around, we want to be getting in. And then initial target is going to be this here, all right? So it'll do something like this, all right? And if it breaks through, great, it'll continue to go long, okay? And then we'll be targeting these areas here, okay? This supply, all right? It's the supply here. So again, yeah, so your initial target is always going to be here, guys, all right? Be very, very mindful of where your targets are, okay? Because we can hit this area and then turn around again that we're not sure of, but yeah, but once we turn around from this supply and demand area, we know, okay, market will be heading long, okay? So okay, guys, so hopefully this is clear, and also this trade analysis today helps you with the 21 MA strategy that we have on our YouTube channel, okay? And you can see how it works out and how let me get to the YouTube channel, guys. The 21 MA strategy, which is this here, guys. Yeah, ProForex101 21 MA trading strategy using the 21 MA exponential moving average, okay? Exponential 21, okay? So it's as I said earlier in that session where I went through the strategy, guys. This is just to help you, okay? But you need to see where these supply and demands and support resistance areas are, and that'll be the key. But in the meantime, this will be like a guide, okay, to help you to figure out, okay, we haven't retraced yet. Why? Because we haven't come back to our MA. Simple as that, okay? Okay, guys, so let's see how this plays out, and once the trade plays out, we'll do another post-trade analysis and see how things go, guys. Right, guys, thanks for joining in. Bye for now.